So, today we're going to start a new topic, which is how social media influences young people's values. The learning intentions for today is students will be able to describe what values are and how they influence choices. Students will be able to explain how social media platforms influence young people's values, and students will be able to identify the positive and negative impacts of social media on values. The success criteria for today is define what values are in their own words, describe how social media can influence young people's values and beliefs, and give examples of positive and negative effects of social media on values. And the last one is reflect on how social media may influence their own decisions and behaviour. So I want all students to think about this question, which is, you see someone being left out of a game, would you ask them to join your game, or would you not? I'll give you two minutes to think about this question. We'll move on. Another question is, you find money on the ground in school, would you hand it into the office or would you keep the money? This is a very common thing to happen, and I just want you to think about what would you do in this scenario. And the next question is, your friend asks you to lie for them, would you lie for them or would you not? This is the definition of values. Values are beliefs about what is important. It is also what is right or wrong. Another question is, what values do you have in your lives? These values could be to do with family, friends. I just want you to think about this question. Also, I want you to do another task. Pick your top 3 values. Why are they important to you and how do they affect your lives? I want you to write this into your copybook and maybe share with your friend beside you. You do not have to share with the class if you do not want to.